How you all doing? Okay, so as requested, how to modulate between keys, how to move from one key to another on the keyboard. So we're going to touch that right away. Okay, so modulation is simply changing from one key to another. All right, so we're going to do this on the key of F. F, G, A, B, flat, C, D, E, F. Okay. All right, so let's start by modulating from C to F sharp. Sorry, from F to F sharp and from F to G. So let's do semitone and tone. All right, of course, you know the common modulations we usually hear or we have from F to F sharp, that is semitone, not necessarily on the key of F, and then from F to G, that is tone. Okay, good. So let's start with semitone modulation now, from this to F sharp. Okay, so what can you do if you want to modulate from this? Use the fifth note to modulate. The fifth note on F is C. Now the fifth note on F sharp is C sharp. Good. So if you want to modulate from F to F sharp, like the song I did last week, oh, be lifted above all other God, we lay our crown and worship you. Oh, be lifted above all other God. Okay, so I simply played from this, the fifth note of, or the fifth chord of F sharp to F sharp. And you see the fifth chord of F sharp is, the fifth chord is chord 5, is C sharp. So any key you are playing on, if you are moving to the next key, just play the fifth chord, chord 5, then move to your 1. So, oh, let's start on F again. Oh, be lifted above all other God, we lay our crowns and worship you. Oh, be lifted above all other God, we lay our crowns and worship you. Okay, so that is that. So that is 1. Keep that. So let's move again from F to G. Oh, be lifted above all other God, we lay our crowns and worship you. Oh, be lifted. Can you see that? So this is the fifth of G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, or you can come from oh, be lifted above all other God, we lay our crowns and worship you. Oh, be lifted. So you finish it on the fifth chord. On the next key you are going to, please get this. So I handed it on the fifth of the next key I'm going to, which is G. So we lay our crowns and worship you. Oh, be lifted. Can you see that? Oh, be lifted above all other God, we lay our crowns and worship you. Okay? So another thing you can do is you just play a movement. So let's start again from F to F sharp. So we want to modulate from F to F sharp now. So I will just play sorry, good. Okay, I just created it. So you just form a movement on your own. So you played Sol La Ti. So you go to F sharp and play the same thing, Sol La Ti. And you see that? So now drop 2. So this be Fa Sol. So be Fa Sol. So Sol La Ti, Sol La Ti, Do, Do. So you start your movement on the key you are playing on, then you repeat the same movement on the next key, which is F sharp. So let's try from F to G now. Do, Mi, Fa Sol, good. Sol La Ti, Sol La Ti, good. Sol La Ti, Sol La Ti, Do. So this is how you can modulate from one key to another. So lastly, Lastly, your drop twos. If you are the only one playing, or you are just playing, maybe you are backing up a preacher, you can play around with your drop twos. Like I said in the video, in the tutorial I did on drop two, you can, if you are backing up a preacher, one of the ways you can make your playing effective is playing within keys, just moving from one key to another. So you connect the keys together. So on C, on F, now I just created the movement now. So on bum, bum, bum. So the aim is to play from a chord to the fifth, then move to your first, which is the next key. Your first, I mean, to the next key, which is okay. Now on G already, on G. On G sharp. If you want to demodulate, please are coming back to F sharp now, not G. Let's demodulate by a tone. Okay, so drop two. I'm just playing drop twos. So okay, so this is how you can modulate from one chord to another. If you are backing up your choir and you are asked to modulate on a particular key, so this is something you can do. Just play the fifth on the next key you are going to. I think that's very, very easy for the choirs, for the choir to flow along with like the 4-part harmony, or the 3-part harmony. Now if you are playing the fifth chord on the next key, it means they are following you. And if they are not going to follow you, it means the musicians will do that particular part, then move to the next key. So that's one. Another thing is you can play a movement from your original key, then repeat the same movement on the next key before going to your one on the next key. So the musicians can do that, or if you are the only one playing, then you can do that. And another thing is drop two. Create your movements, just move. And drop two is very, very sweet when it comes to modulation. Very, very sweet. Okay, so that is it. I hope this helps. Thank you.